Money isn't everything, but it affects almost every part of life. Food keeps us alive. Money helps put food on the table.
A safe home provides comfort. Money helps create that security. Education creates opportunities. Money helps us access better learning. Health is priceless. But treatment often costs money.
When emergencies happen, money becomes extremely important.
Money allows us to support family and care for loved ones. Transportation connects opportunities. Money helps us reach them.
Saving money creates peace of mind and protects against uncertainty. Life is unpredictable. Savings provide protection. Money can create opportunities and turn ideas into reality. Investing in yourself pays forever. Knowledge increases value. Tools can improve your future. Money helps you access them. Money gives us the ability to help others when they need it.
Wealth isn't only about yourself. It can change other lives too.
Money is often earned through effort. Every dollar represents time.
Spending without thinking can create future problems.
Smart choices today create freedom tomorrow. Small savings grow over time. Consistency is powerful. Money can work for you. Money can work for you if you use it wisely.
Patience creates results. Wealth takes time to build. Learning about money is one of the most valuable skills. A plan gives money direction. Without a plan, money disappears.
Every purchase has a cost. Think before you spend.
Strong habits create strong finances. Success is built step by step.
Money can't solve every problem, but it can solve many.
Financial security reduces stress and creates more freedom. Money is a tool. How you use it matters.
Wealth is not about showing off. It's about creating choices. Money is important because it creates opportunities. Use it wisely, respect it, and grow it. Your future depends on the choices you make today.